Hi, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video shows students how to log in. First, open a browser from your device. You can use whichever browser you would like. In the address bar, type in ellii.com/students. This is the student login page. If you would like to see this page displayed in another language, click the arrow in the bottom left corner and choose a language from the list. If you log in with a Google account, a Clever account, or a Microsoft account, click one of the buttons below. If you use an email to log in, or your teacher has given you a username, type that into the first box. Right below, type in your password. You can see what you have typed in by clicking the eye icon. Right below, click the blue Login button. If your teacher has given you a key code to log in with, click the key code button. Type in your key code, and then type in your last name. Then click the blue Login button. Once you have logged in, you can click your class and begin working on your lessons. That's it for this video on how to log in as a student. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy learning!
Ellii.